This is an interactive guided walking meditation in nature. Find a peaceful spot in nature where you feel comfortable and at ease. Take a moment to stand still and connect with your surroundings. Begin by setting an intention for your walk. What do you hope to experience or cultivate within you during this time in nature? Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Feel the earth beneath your feet and imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet into the ground, anchoring you to the earth's energy. With each inhale, draw up energy from the earth. With each exhale, release any tension or stress. Allow yourself to pause for just a moment at the top of your inhales and at the bottom of your exhales. Slowly begin to walk, paying attention to each movement of your body. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the sway of your arms, and the rhythm of your breath. Walk with purpose and intention, feeling a connection with the earth beneath you. Engage your senses as you walk. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of the natural world around you. Listen to the sounds of nature, birds chirping, leaves rustling, water flowing. Take in the scent of the flowers, the grass, the fresh air, the earth. Express gratitude now for the beauty and abundance of nature surrounding you. Silently or out loud, give thanks to the trees, the sky, the animals, and all elements of the natural world that support and sustain life. Wind down your breath and take some moments of stillness to reflect on your experience outside. Be fully present in each moment, accepting whatever arises with kindness and compassion. Imagine sending love and positive energy to the plants, animals, and elements of nature around you. Feel a sense of connection and unity with all living beings, knowing that you are part of this web of life. Ready to end your walk, find a quiet spot to sit or or stand still. Take a few deep breaths and thank nature for the gifts it has given you during this walk. Settle into a sense of peace and contentment, knowing that you can return to this sacred space whenever you need to reconnect with yourself and the natural world.